Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. I'm here again with another product review for the channel, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification. On this channel, I occasionally give a lot of giveaways for the product that I'm reviewing. So if you are subscribed to the channel, you might be selected for one of the giveaways. Getting right into it. You see a lot of stuff on my table here. This will all make sense in a minute, but today I'm doing a product review from a company called AllPower. AllPower makes amazing backup power supply that are functional, they're smart, and they're efficient. And this will help you in terms of on the go, where you need an outlet to charge a device, or let's say you, for the godforsaken, you have a power outage and you need emergency power to charge a cell phone or some essential equipment in your home. Or let's say you love to go off grid, and going off grid means you require some energy for powering your off grid supplies. So AllPower makes all those different power supply units. Today I'm reviewing a smaller power supply unit from AllPower, but this unit, I'm pleasantly surprised, has so many functions. So I will be showing you some of the functions that this unit offers compared to other competitors. I have reviewed EcoFlow, which makes similar unit like this here, but I'm really surprised. AllPower is far less cheaper than the other brands out there, and you get everything that those brands offer plus more. So hey, why even try to waste your money on a brand name when you can get efficiency, quality, as well as functionality from AllPower? So maybe you haven't heard about the company yet. They are fairly new, but they've reached out to me and I've been testing this unit for a couple days now. I'm very impressed, and it's very hard for me to say that I'm impressed by some companies, but this company really shines. So let's start out with some of the functionality. We're gonna move the drone out of the way. So this unit here has a handle, which is pretty cool, and it allows for wireless charging. My gosh. So you can actually put your device on top here and it'll wirelessly charge whatever device it is. If it's a drone, if it's a phone, whatever the case may be, it does have wireless charging on top here. Big notch, big credit there for AllPower. You have a handlebar. It's very light. So you have a handlebar to move it around. But there's so much more that I want to get into. So the unit comes with a light. This is really cool. Like in the night when you're using AllPower, you can actually turn on this LED light, and there's a button here to make it brighter, and this allows you to see whatever outlet you need to plug into. And that is a SOS light. Unbelievable that I thought about this here. So that SOS light, in case you're in the jungle or wherever you are, there's an emergency, you can activate the SOS help signal. But yeah, like I said, you can turn on and off that light. Very cool that they added this here. There is a huge LCD screen that tells you the actual percent of charge that the device is currently at. So right now I am almost 100% charged. I'm 97% charged right now, and 60 watt is available to me. Right now I'm not using any of the ports, so you don't see any of the output getting calculated. It is Bluetooth compatible, and up there's indicator to tell you what's plugged in or which outlet is being used. I want to stress the Bluetooth, and I'll get into that in a second. So Bluetooth is something that I haven't seen with a lot of battery backup system out there, but Bluetooth allows you to control every one of the ports on this device right off your phone. So if you want to disconnect a friend that is using one of the USB-C port, you can actually do that right off the app. So cool of AllPower to think about that. I also want to talk about the ports. So we have two USB-C port. and one port on your I would say on the right side. That's a 100-watt USB-C port. 100 watt allows for extremely fast charging, so that is pretty cool. So if you're into requiring like fast power, definitely use the 100 watt USB-C port. And similarly, we have two USB-A port, and these USB-A port also have the ability for fast charging right off the port. There is a actual switch that you can turn on and off that port. So if I press this here, that those two USB-C port are off, as well as the USB-A port. But if I press this here, it comes on, and you actually see that on the screen. And I'll get close up of this here. And next you have these AC ports. So AC ports allow you to, and these are 3-prong, not just 2-prong, these are 3-prong AC port. And this allows you to connect things like a toaster, blender, a kettle, all kind of unique stuff you can use this AC port for, which is pretty cool. And I love that it has this outdoor protector, so you can lock it in, so protect it from moisture and water. So there's two of that available to you, and you can actually turn on and off those AC ports. So if you want to kill the power to the AC port, you can do that in the app, but also you can do it manually off the device. And we have a cigarette lighter. So this is useful. Sometimes you do require to charge or power something that has a cigarette lighter port, and that is available here, which is cool. All in all, very small, lightweight. I really appreciate the handle, and also I appreciate all the venting. This unit does not get hot, and that's one thing I've observed with all the different battery system out there, battery backup system. After a while, the unit gets hot. This unit does not get hot. I'm really happy AllPower did provide a solar panel for me to use. And the solar panel is pretty small. You'll see it in the clip here. It allows you to unfold it. If you're in a remote space, you can use a solar panel to charge the unit to 100%, and that will allow you to use the unit if you don't have access to a AC outlet or wall outlet. So that is cool. But all in all, I want to demonstrate this unit powering and charging all this device, and show you how easy it is to use it. So let's get started. So I am into renovation, so I have my Ryobi battery here for charging. So right now this battery is not charged, so I am going to take this here. It uses a 2-prong, which is an AC port. I'm gonna plug that into one of the available AC ports, and right away I could see that once I turn it on, I can see that it is charging, which is super cool. You can see the red light there indicating it's charging, and now green light saying it's charging activated, which is awesome. And that is charging pretty fast, so that's one functionality. I also am into drones, so I have drone here, and this is a DJI Air 2S drone, and I'm gonna go ahead and charge the battery on this drone. The battery is almost 50%, so I'm gonna use one of those 2-prong outlet here. I'm gonna charge this here, plug it in, and you can see now that it's plugged in, you can see it's charging right there. So green light indicates the battery is charging. So that's one there. So we have 2-prong, 2 of the AC port used right now, and I have some extra batteries, some drone batteries. This is the DJI mini drone. I'm gonna charge this here also. So I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna use the 100-watt USB-C port to charge it. So let's plug that in, and there we go. It is charging. So right now I'm using all the USB-C port. I have USB port that is available still, and I'm using the AC port. Alright, so we have it set up there. So that's the solar panel. Very easy to set up. It actually has the flap here, so it folds like a pouch. You have these hangers here where you can hang it on a wall, and that's the stand at the back there to mount it anywhere. So right now I have it mounted facing the sun. And then I like this touch here where the cable is actually included in this pocket, and those are the connection, right and left connection, and it's connected directly to the solar panel port, which is that yellow connection at the end. And there it is, it's charging off the solar. So yeah, pretty cool overall, very happy. And I look forward to reviewing more units here from AllPower. My first impression here, this is a great company. They think about everything, and definitely practical and useful, and everyone should have one of these here in a home. So alright, so there you have it. Me and my AllPower were off to a road trip, and I'm really happy that I got this unit. Big thank you to AllPower for sending me this unit to review, and I'll have a link in the description where to buy it. Make sure you subscribe, share this video. This is a great Christmas present. If you know someone that you're looking for a gift, guaranteed they'll love this present here. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.